case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2004 United States v. Velez case, heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit, Jose Velez was convicted of possessing a firearm after previously being convicted of a felony. After his indictment, Velez participated in 2 proffer sessions where he initially proclaimed his innocence, but during the second session, he waived his protection and admitted to owning and possessing the firearm. Later, Velez challenged the constitutionality of the waiver provision in the proffer agreement and requested a Curdo hearing to replace his attorney. The court examined whether the waiver provision could be enforced, as well as the potential conflict of interest between Velez and his counsel during the proffer session. Ultimately, the court found that a waiver provision in a proffer agreement is enforceable if entered into knowingly and voluntarily, and it did not violate the defendant's constitutional rights nor create a conflict of interest. The defendant's appeal was denied, with the court affirming the conviction, rejecting Velez's claim that the waiver provision was unconstitutional, and denying his request for new defense counsel. Split the text below into sentences. Identify the most important physical item or profession in the sentence. If there is no physical item or profession, then use a physical good or profession from a different sentence. Suggest a physical good or profession that could represent justice or the court. Avoid suggesting anything sexual, text, logos, signs, documents, words, symbols, hands, feet, or anything abstract. Don't repeat images across sentences. Describe the image in 5-8 words.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.